Hello there, you're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and you're watching Sam on the screen right now, and we're going to go ahead and see him in his natural habitat trying to troubleshoot and figure out why the supercharger on this Cadillac CTS coupe is not functioning right, what the pitfalls are, and how to overcome them. And what do we do from here? We shall find out. Now, let's go ahead and tune in and see what he finds out.
So it's still had a little bit of an idle issue at park and in drive when you're just sitting and idling. By the way, I also cleared all the check engine codes that are on. We do still have a few. We got fuel pressure, we have throttle body, map sensor, and pressure of some sort. I don't know what that all is, but it's kind of the same as last time. If I push it, that's what happens. But if I don't, you know, we're safe, we're nice and comfortable. But nobody wants that with a car like this. A supercharger, you don't sit comfortably. So it has to be right. So that's why we're on this journey. We'll see. Real talk, kind of getting bummed about this. I'm getting a little discouraged. I know I bought a lot of parts for like gaskets and seals and timing kit and everything like that, but it's a lot of time and money to be going back and forth from tuning, to be working on this and buying stuff for it and then not getting really good results. So it's starting to stink. Not just through the oil's burning, but the smell. It does pull. Okay. Woo! Oh, that was fast. That's cool, man. What was that? Who was that? Oh, who did it? Spin out! Don't get cocky though. That helped nothing! Nothing! Ha. See, this is why I don't want to do this. Man, God, this sucked. It was so good there for a moment. Man, dude, this is killing me, man. Killing me. Yes, we get good power, but we don't get enough. We need more and be able to actually make it to peak without it cutting out on me. That's the whole point of this. What manufacturer's gonna put a supercharger on a car that isn't gonna be able to like do anything? No, you put it on there to do stuff. Getting good power, but you can't just bring it out. The Jag, absolutely, no problem, no questions, do it. Red line if you really want to, But this, no, you're limited. What? Well, I'm gonna go enjoy my evening now. I don't know, like, what do I do from here now? Like, I know, this is frustrating because I know we're just gonna have more problems along the way, more time and more money. So, let me go figure this out, give me a couple hours, a couple days, see what we can do.